In today's video, I am going to tell you 5 powerful and easy passive income ideas that can help you to earn up to $1,000 per month. But before that, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications so that you don't miss any of our updates. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Renting out your property. You can buy a property and make money by renting it out. If you do not have a property, don't worry. These days, with the Airbnb structure, it has become even easier. If you have a spare room or a section of a home, you can convert it into Airbnb and make rental income out of it. If you have plans to go on a vacation or a trip for a few weeks or months, you can turn your entire home into accommodation for tourists and make income out of it even when you are in holiday. Renting out a property is a very well-established way of earning passive income. Number 2. Create a course. Course creation is a pretty straightforward one. Then you can create a course and launch it on the hosting websites like Udemy, Coursera, etc. Launch a course that provides significant value to the people who are looking for answers that your expertise can fulfill. Once it is pre-recorded, the course content is prepared and published. Anyone who visits your website or looking for the subject matter in the hosting platform will see your course and have the option to pay and enroll. Number 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves recommending a product or service to the audience. This is a great source of earning passive income because you earn commissions whenever someone buys a recommended product or service using your referral link. Fourth one is sell stock photos. You can earn passive income by listing your collection of photos on various sites like Shutterstock. You earn income in the form of commissions. As many businesses going online these days, the demand for websites, blogs, etc. is rising. And due to this, the demand for stock photos is also on rise. And the fifth one, publish ebooks. Writing, publishing and selling an ebook is a great way to make passive income. Once your ebook is ready for sale, you can sell it on different online platforms. These online platforms have an automation for instant delivery once the payment is set up. So sales can occur even when you are sleeping without you doing anything. So check out these 5 passive income ideas for an extra income and start your journey. Hope the video is informative. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.